So, 10 a.m. umalis yung Star Horse sa Pulilio and I slept throughout our biyahe and then we only had one stopover and then by 5 p.m. nakakating na kami sa Rector kung saan kami tutuloy and after that, so pinuntahan na namin yung room namin. We are on room number 14 yan sa Bang National High School. So bali 6 lang naman kami, 4 students and 2 school paper advisors. Inayos lang namin yung gamit namin, then we went sa 7-Eleven by 7 p.m. Nagbili lang kami ng ilang mga kailangan and then after that, bumalik na kami and then natulog na. That's it for day 0. And para naman sa aming first official day, so nagising kami ng 4:30 a.m., 5:30 a.m. kumain and then on the way to the Chaong Plaza. So doon yung opening ng DSPC and oh my gosh guys, super daming tao. More than 2,000 yata lahat ng attendees including elementaries. And then ayan, opening na. I didn't expect na makakakita ako ng familiar faces kasi oh my gosh guys, sabi ko nga daming tao. So after nung opening program, bumalik na kami sa Recto para naman sa orientation nung mga magko-compete. And then I don't have competition that day, so that's it.
Ayan, ang gusto ko, hindi nagdadala ng acting nagkakaroon. Kasi hindi ko ako. Nakasama? Kung po yung tagapulin nyo, nakasama ang National High School. Okay, talaga lang din si ate.
So day 2, November 26, ayan, tinawag kami sa unahan ako and then yung dalawa ko pang kasamang sports writer competition day na namin. Actually, we did not expect this but guys, that was so fun. As in, super saya, nakakatawa, puro kakalatan yung ginawa namin. But hey, unforgettable naman, as in talagang masaya, kahit puro kalat lang yung ginawa namin.
Mag-doubles po yung dalawang mitsera po. Yun, tsaka si Dwayne po. Single po.
Umaga, November 26, sports writing competition and then nung hapon, as in, napag-desisyonan lang namin na what if sumali tayo sa Mr. and Miss DSPC and then go, sumali nga kami as in register. Alas 2 yung start ng rehearsal and dun lang din nagpa-register, diretso rehearsal, gabi diretso sa stage. As in, naghanap pa kami ng damit kung kani-kanino and then go, sumali tayo, lubos-lubosin na, last na to. Oh my gosh. No regrets naman. I mean, I met a lot of friends din doon. I mean, yung mga nasa katabi ko sa line, ang gaganda nila. Pero ang babait nila, as in, ang gaganda nila. Shoutout sa inyo. Hindi ko tanda yung pangalan, pero love you guys. Mwah. You made my DSPC experience so fun. Last day na agad. So day 3 pumunta na kami dun sa may mga stall, may mga t-shirts and then nagbili ako ng isa, may nakasulat lang na sports writer sa likod for the memories. And ayan na, closing na and the awarding ceremony. Actually, hindi na naman talaga ako nag-expect dahil hindi ako satisfied sa gawa ko. But guys, I am so proud sa lahat ng mga nakapasok, lalo na yung mga bata. Ang cute nila. And that's a wrap for my DSPC experience. Thank you guys. Bye, Chaong! So, after that, dumiretso kami sa SM Lucena before kami umuwi. And then, guess who I met? Si Iram. Oh my gosh, Iram, I love you so much. I miss you. And then, yeah, we just stroll around sa SM Lucena and then yeah, we enjoy every moment kasi 2 hours lang kami sa SM Lucena. Then, diretso kami sa bahay ng Mayora ng Pulilio and then we will have a dinner there. So yeah, we made the most out of it, of that 2 hours na kasama namin sa Iram. Kasi guys, halos 2 years ko na siyang hindi nakikita and miss na namin siya. Oh my gosh, Iram Zin De Leon, I love you so much. I miss you. See you soon. Balik ka na sa Pulilio, please. Miss ka na namin. So yeah, nag-ikot-ikot lang kami, nagkakalat lang ulit. My plan was bibili ako ng bag. So, isinama ko sa Ariam and then I asked for her opinions about sa mga bag na kukunin ko. And, you know, as a broke student, kailangan kong pag-isipan bawat purchases ko. Oh my gosh, kala mo talaga. Kasi nga naman, wala naman akong pera, but then again, 2 hours lang yung meron ako, so hindi ko siya kayang pag-isipan ng ganun lang kabilis. Kumain pa kasi kami before that. So, I ended up not getting anything. So, wala akong nakuha, as in memories lang. And yan, alis na si Ariam after 2 or 7 p.m. ng November 27. Oh my gosh, I'll miss you. And then dumaan kami kila Mayora. Thank you, Mayor, for dinner. Mwah. Bye! So that's it for our DSPC experience. Kasama namin yung mga journalist ng PNHS. So kasabay din namin silang nag-dinner sa bahay ni Mayora sa Lucena. Bye po. Thank you. Hi guys! So, pauwi na kami. Ayan sila oh. Ayan na yung mga gamit nila. Pauwi kami. Nandito kami ngayon sa mansion ni Mayora. Nandun sa taas. And, yeah. We're going home. So that was a fun experience and unforgettable one. Like for real. I mean, imagine, I met a lot of people. Diyan ba?
Parang nandun pa lang tayo.
Alam mo yung experience pa lang, yun yung parang parang price na siya.
Yung nandun ka pa lang.
Oo, actually, I mean, I don't know sa iba, hindi naman sa invalidate yung feelings nila. Pero yung parang experience ko, parang isa na yun sa parang such a price.
Yeah.
You know, unvaluable.
Yeah.
I met a lot of people and that's a wrap.